In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create anchor links in Squarespace. Anchor links, sometimes called jump links, let visitors click text and instantly scroll to a specific part of the same page. They're perfect for long pages like services, pricing, or FAQs because they reduce scrolling and make navigation feel effortless. Start on the page you're editing and scroll to the section you want people to land on. Select that section so its settings appear, then open the section editor. In the editor panel, look for the anchor link field. This is where you'll name the anchor for this section. Choose a short, clear name that describes the destination. Keep it simple and unique on the page. It's best to use lowercase letters, avoid spaces, and use hyphens if you need separators, like pricing or our team. This name will become the anchor that your link points to. Once you've typed the name, use the copy icon right next to it. Squarespace will copy the correct anchor format for you. Depending on the context, it might look like a hash with your anchor name or a full URL with a hash at the end. Either way, you don't need to edit it. Just copy exactly what Squarespace gives you. Next, decide where you want the clickable link to appear. Click to add a new content block in that spot. Choose a text block so you can turn words into a link. Type the text that visitors will click. Something descriptive like jump to pricing, read more, or go to contact. Make sure the wording clearly sets the expectation for where the link will take them. Highlight the text you just wrote to prepare it for linking. In the text toolbar that appears, click the link icon. A link field will open. Paste the anchor you copied earlier into that field. Because it's an on-page anchor, there's no need to enable options like opening in a new window. Those are more appropriate for external links. Confirm the link, and your text is now connected to that exact section on the page. That's the core process. Pick the destination section, set and copy its anchor name, place a text block where you want the link, type your link text, highlight it, open the link tool, and paste the anchor. A quick tip, you can reuse that same anchor anywhere else on the page, or even on other pages to point visitors to the same section. Clear, consistent anchor names make maintenance easier later. And if you notice the page doesn't scroll exactly where you expect, try a slightly different anchor placement by adjusting which section holds the anchor name.